Guys, this building you can see that, so I think covers all department of Sanskrit studies, School of Life Science, older building, and there is also computer center, CNF, School of Mathematics and Statistics, which is visible. You can see that School of Mathematics and Statistics, and this is School of Medical Science. So let's explore. So guys, today we will be exploring the mathematics, statistics and School of Medical Science. I think this building has also the Center for Neural and Cognitive Science, you can see that, and the Sanskrit department. So today we will be exploring this. It is very old building actually, and just rain happened, so full of greenery. This is the entrance gate, and let's enter. First there will be security guard, which you can see he is here, and this way we enter, and this is the lounge area. Okay, inside this is the entrance of mathematics department, statistics department, School of Medical Science, neural cognitive science, Sanskrit department, everything. It's very old building, so it comprises everything. It's a corridor kind of thing, just keep going, and this way I think goes to physics, straight goes to maths. You can see that it is written School of Mathematics and Statistics. This is the Dean, School of Mathematics and Statistics, Dr. R. Radha ma'am. She is well-known professor, and this is the tour of office of School of Mathematics and Statistics. This is the office, guys. So School of Mathematics and Statistics. That's all for this. Now we will see the other department. Okay, so some student is coming there. We'll see who is that. And this is CNF, that is campus network facility. Everything is controlled from here only. Okay, it is Sunday, so it is locked today. Internet facility, Wi-Fi facility, everything is controlled from here, and lift system is also there for the second, third floor. So after entering this, right goes to the Raman Auditorium. There is also an auditorium, Department of Education and Technology. Today we came for some this talk, but it's closed, I think. It was inaugurated in 1993. 23. Okay, so here we come, Center for Neural Science. I think this way you will reach that Center for Neural Science. This is the lab of, I think, physics department, old building. New department is under construction. Okay, and this is the inside lounge area where you can sit and have fun during the lunch hour or the recess hour in afternoon. That area, that is Medical Science department, old building. You can see that some grass cutting work is going on, and they will plant the new grasses, I think. So you can see that the building is very old. All buildings are under construction at different locations. Physics department is being constructed near Earth Science building. I will also say at the Earth Science and New Physics department. This is old physics department. So you can see that it is written School of Physics, that is Bhautiki Sankai. So this way you enter, and this is the department. Similar structure like School of Mathematics and Statistics. This is Xerox Rock. This is Dean School of Physics. So thank you guys, stay tuned. This is the lobby where you can sit and have coffee, tea. This is closed now. So very good department, very reputed department, physics, chemistry. These are very good department, University of Hyderabad. Construction of building is very old kind of thing. All department has been. So this is the physics student, Mr. Paul. Yeah, now we'll move. I think this is the school of physics for the scholars. This way you go. Now we are going back. This building seems to be very old and there is threat of snacks, as Paul has suggested to move away. Yeah, Paul, just move, I am coming. And this is the coordinator of UGC NRC School of Physics. School of Physics, UGC NRC tea break. This area. This is Dean School of Medical Science. This is the Medical Science department. You can see that. And this is the kind of corridor. This is the office of School of Medical Science. And this way we move. You can see that this is 360 degree just round, okay, and the same thing as we saw from that zone to here. It's same in compound, and that way goes to Sanskrit department. That building, which is quite visible because of Sunday, it is locked. You can see that lock is there. So that building is foreign language and Sanskrit department. This is the back side of student canteen, and this is how we go. So this was the full, Department of Education and Education Technology this way. So that's all. This is School of Medical Science. It's almost similar structure. School of Medical Science. So guys, see you in next video. Stay tuned. So let me just remind you, in this video we have covered almost all the department. School of Cognitive Science, Medical Science, Physics department, Education department, Mathematics department, Statistics department. So that's all guys. This was the place where we used to have sometimes eat, and you can have lunch and snacks here sitting. Once upon a time we had tea with Dr. D.Y. Reddy sir, ex-governor of RBI. In the same C.V. Raman auditorium he had a talk. So that's all. Very beautiful. Just rain happened, so it looks some kind of dodginess. Very good department. Now we are going out. So thank you guys, stay tuned. That's all. This is exit. Now we are moving out. Security, you can see that is there, agile security, and the marble is placed. You see, that is Sankheki Sankai, that is mathematics and statistics. Very greenery campus. That is also the park. Yeah, Paul, just coming, just a minute. See that this is mathematics and stat department, and here it is physics department, CN. So that's all, everything we have covered. See you in next video. Stay tuned guys. Next video I will cover other department, communication, and whatever is left, earth science and other. Chalo guys, see you, bye. That's all.